like rubbing off always.
What are you drinking? Moonshine?
Tomorrow I'm gonna have 우거지.
I didn't ask.
우거지 갈비탕.
I didn't ask.
그래? 라면 안 나.
English!
Dude, I eat ramen. Seafood. You eat seafood? Seafood 새끼?
Anyways.
Anyway. 근데 그 쌀 있지.
English!
알았어.
답답해 죽겠네 진짜 인간 때문에. 영어 프로그램 대신. No, no.
나 갈게.